We got so. It's okay, baby. I wouldn't lay there either.
Where is he? Where is he?
I wouldn't lay there so because he gonna come right around me so bad. Here he comes. You coming? Look out, Sophie.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he almost had it. He fell.
Look out, Sophie. I'd move if I were you. Don't step on my foot.
Oh, where is he? Oh, there he is. Give me his guy.
Don't get me. India, I'll move.
India, come here. India, come here. Lay down. Lay down. Come here.
India, move.
Where is he? Why does he now? Oh, there he is. Drag it across the floor. There he is. Oh, why are you gonna be like that? What are you, camera shy?
Yeah. Don't get me, I said.
I was talking about the cat. Okay.
Who took it? You took it.
Yeah, I know.
Don't let your daddy play with it. Go get the ball and toss it across the kitchen floor.
Right. Yeah. All right.
It's up there by his cat food on that top shelf. Get the damn thing away from me!
Ready?
You like the other ones better.
Ready, kid? Ready?
Man, I thought you were making a CD.
I am. Hold on.
Get that thing out of my face.
Kitty! Kitty! Ready? India, move! Jeez, oh, he's in the way. Get it, get it, get it.
Some of the CDs are cut off.
Come on. There's some cat.